The Cathedral of St. Stanislaus is a Roman Catholic cathedral in Vilnius city. Initially here was a Christian temple which was built up on the site of pagan sanctuary in the middle of 15th century. It's also assumed that the temple was founded by the Grand Duke of Lithuania Mindaugas, King of Lithuania since 1223, after his baptism in 1251. But with the return of Mindaugas to the paganism after 1261, the temple was destroyed and the pagan temple was rebuilt from the remains. Anyway, it was rebuilt and recovered lately. By the way, from the south side of the cathedral square side, we can see figures of Lithuanian dynasty. From the side of entrance there is a tower and there is some museum, yes, and also there are some statues above the facade. Saint, yes, we can see it now. Saint Helena with glided cross in the middle, Saint Stanislaus on the left, and Saint Casimir to the right. And also in the niches, as we see, there are some different figures from Bible. In 1859 here was installed an organ which was transferred here from Augustine monastery. And also this cathedral was the place of crowning, let's to say. Grand Dukes of Lithuania from Vytautas to 10-year-old Sigismund August was solemnly crowned in this place in the cathedral. During Second World War in 1944 and 1946, divine services were held here. But lately, Soviet authorities closed the war house, closed the cathedral and transferred it into war house. And in 1950, also Soviet authorities, they threw down from the roof statues of saints. And since 1956, here is an art gallery, some branch of art gallery. And only in October of 1989 the temple opened its doors for Catholics. And in Christmas time you can find inside the cathedral in the nearby areas some Christmas compositions, very picturesque.